In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on Notifications. Then select Manage App Notifications here. And finally, use blue switchers next to your apps to block notifications from them, or gray ones to switch them back on. You can also select this switcher next to all at the top to enable or disable notifications from all of your apps at once. If you wish to, you can always click on any app available on the left and manage all its notifications over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!